voice change from passive to active, important for class 9 and 10. Passive, the boy is known to me. Is আছে তাৰমানে simple present tenseত আছিলে, me আগত আহিলে activeত I হ'ব, I known present form হ'ল know, I know the boy. Passive, he was taken to hospital. ইয়াত by নাই, তাৰমানে by কি হ'ব পাৰে, them হ'ব পাৰে, them আগত আনিলে they হ'ব activeত হ'ব they, took হ'ব কাৰণ was আছে মানে past formত আছিলে, taken or past form took, they took him, him হ'ব to hospital. Passive, the prizes were given away by the chief guest. The chief guest আগত আহি যাব activeত, the chief guest gave away the prizes. past formত আছে were আছে, সেইকাৰণে main verb past formত হ'ব. Passive, the cat may be killed by the dog. activeত হ'ব the dog may kill the cat. Passive, Rome was not built in a day. তাৰমানে by নাই, ইয়াতো by ধৰি ল'ব লাগিব, activeত কি হ'ব the Romans, তাৰমানে ৰোম কোনে বনাইছিলে, ৰোমৰ মানুহবোৰেই বনাইছিলে, the Romans. was আছে মানে past tense, did not build Rome in a day. Passive, he was invited to the meeting. তো he was invited to the meeting, ইয়াতো by নাই, তো কি হ'ব পাৰে activeত they invited him to the meeting. Passive, the work is being done by him, তাৰমানে present continuous আছে, is being activeত present continuous হ'ব, he is doing the work.